Let us now see getter and setter methods. So until now we have used, like, let us say class student, and we have used attr accessor, and let us say name comma age, colon name colon age, and we have written like def initialize name comma age, and name is equal to name, age is equal to age, end. So this is how we used to set the data. So what we are doing, when an object is created, this name is assigned to this and this age is assigned to this, and we have set the data. Now to get the data, what we used to write, like we can write name, one more function, and let us return the name, and same thing, age, return age, end. Now let us create an object, a is equal to student dot new. This we know actually, and here itself we used to create like Peter comma 22. So now we have set the data, and to get the data, what we should have wrote, a dot name Peter, a dot age. So when we calling the a dot name, it can actually get the data from here, or we can get return the value of this one. So there is another method to initialize that. So now let us see the second type, how we can set and get the data. I actually prefer this attribute accessor. So now let us see. So once we have given attribute accessor, we can change the name or age. Let us change the age. So we can write a dot age is equal to 33. Now a dot age is 33. Now see, name is Peter, age is 33. Like this, see, we can use attribute accessor, reader or writer. This we have discussed earlier, but now we will be seeing the second method. I always prefer this type of writing code, and for the completion of course I am explaining this also. So let us create a class student. Now let us first set the data. To set the data, definition, let us write name, this is a is equal to, give here something name, or you can give even n, anything. This name is different from this, and here also this name is different from other name. You can give like n and a, here also n and a. These are just the names. These values are getting stored into these instances, and we are accessing these instances. So let me give the different names so that you can understand better. So let us say diff name n. Instead of name I am giving just n. Now enter, and now get this n value into the instance, and now we can define same thing for the age. Age is equal to, inside the bracket let us give a, at the rate age is equal to a, end. Now we have successfully set the data. Once we set the data, we can get the data like name, and this is a function, don't forget that. This also we can write anything. Return, what we should have to return, because we have stored the values getting from the user here. Return n, end, def. So let us say agg, if you don't get confused, that's why I'm giving agg. We can give age also. So this is just a function name agg, and return ag end. Now let us create an instance or a object. A is equal to student dot new. So we should have to pass this age and name. A is equal to student dot new. Now let us say what is the name? Peter, comma 23. Now let us say a dot name Peter, a dot age 23. A dot name is equal to, let us say, John. Now the name has changed. A dot name is John. So both are same. So both ways you can do it. A dot age 23. See here, a dot age. This age we are getting from the instance. See here, when we are writing a dot age, we are getting from here. When we are writing a dot agg, we are getting it from here. Don't get confused. These are the functions. These are the setting the data. See here, a dot agg. We are getting this from function agg, and we are getting this from the instance variable. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Try to understand this. Meet you in the next video.